TS, what are you doing, man?
Jetstar 12, car.
Okay, we're in the GT4 at Summit Point. It's week 13, but this is a ranked race. Someone's gone off in front, and they're trying to get back to the front. You can see that Mercedes on the left. It's a rolling start, so I'm hoping there'll be a little bit of space by the time we get to the first corner. Don't want to run into the back of people. This is all going to be... It's a big field. And I just worry that because it's week 13, people are going to be a bit mad. That seems to happen for whatever reason. I think we've gone. There goes the green lights. We're off. Okay. So I didn't qualify very well, but I think I can go quicker. As long as we get stopped for this corner. GT4s, no tyre warmers, so the tyres are always a little bit cold. This is quite a tricky track, I found, in the Porsche. Spaces in the MX-5 where we'd be going a lot quicker.
Car on the left, go right. There's an incident ahead.
Particularly this bit. Okay, a little bit of contact there. So I had to stop. Someone's taking advantage of that. And this corner's very tricky in the Porsche.
There's an incident ahead, right side.
Someone else gone off. Great.
Right side, stay on the left. You're in the middle.
Okay.
Car on your left, car stopped ahead. Clear on the left.
Okay, we've got away with that. Got a 4X though.
Damage on the front end.
Damage on the front end.
Car on the right. That aero damage is probably slowing you a lot.
Okay. Some aero damage.
Right. Go left.
Where's that guy going? Well, let's see what we can do. It's not long straights here, so I can probably live with a little bit of aero damage. That Merc hitting us as well. We top 10 yet? Nearly.
Clear.
Oh, blimey. Eventful. I thought it would be eventful. There's a lot of cars in this race. Someone else off? We are top 10. Okay, well, let's see if we can just get into some sort of rhythm. Get the tyres warm. It's only a short race, 15 minutes. Yeah, this corner I've been really struggling with. Really struggling with.
Clear on the left. Car on
Okay, we'll have to let them by and we'll have to come back past them, hopefully. So I think more people will be off. Got a load of cars behind us. We don't really want to get involved with them if we can help it. So that section, in most cars, you're sort of hard on the throttle and almost sort of full throttle through this whole bit. But it's a real struggle in this car. It just doesn't have the grip.
Sorry.
Even this corner doesn't want to get around. Probably coming in too quick, that's the problem. Anyway, let's see if we can do a better job this time. We were nearly top 10, weren't we?
5.
And it'd be easy, I think, to lose it there, even in second. So this is the corner, isn't it? Yeah.
Go right.
Okay, so we can take advantage like they did last time.
You're on the right, 3 wide. Car on your left, 2 wide. Clear.
Yeah, that's what I did in qualifying. Exactly that.
Right side.
Went onto the grass.
Stay on the left. Clear on the right.
Back where we started, aren't we? I think. Or back where we were last lap. Tenth. Yeah, I thought that might happen. Okay, well, let's see if we can go after this guy. Is that better? A little bit better. So the leaders are doing 14s. I can do 15s, but not 14s, I don't think.
17.7.
Yeah, 17s at the moment, I know, but I can do...
Fastest lap of the session. You're in the top 10.
Let's see if we can get away from them and get after this guy ahead. I think you have to brake a bit earlier for that corner than you do in the MX-5. Gosh, first time we've been around there properly, isn't it?
To go.
You have to go a lot slower than you think. Okay, he had a bit of a slide there, didn't he? And we've dropped the guys behind. Just getting that section right has helped us drop the guys behind straight away. And we're catching up on this McLaren because he's done that corner wrong as well. Okay. So it could be, well, we're 9th at the moment. Could be 8th soon.
16.188. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Okay, better lap then. Yeah, this corner's been a real challenge just to get around it. I don't know why it's so difficult. And this one, again, normally, most cars, you're hard on the gas through there. Okay, we need to get by this guy because we're going to get caught by this Merc behind, I think. Can't afford to waste time, I don't think. Let's see if we can get him on the straight. No. This Merc's coming. Bloody hell, they're quick. Whoever they are.
Behind.
I thought, oh, right, he was at the front, wasn't he? He was the one that went off on the warm-up lap, I think.
Hold your line. 17.026. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the
Okay, he
left.
didn't feel like outbraking me then. I thought he would.
Clear.
I was sort of giving him that corner because I was going to follow him through, but he's being careful then, maybe. Yeah, that McLaren's struggling, isn't it? Well, I was hoping to follow Matthias through, but it hasn't happened. Yeah, we're coming from a long way back, but this McLaren does seem to be struggling a little bit. I don't want the others to come through either.
The leader is running. 15.111.
Gosh, where's he going?
Right side. Clear on the right.
For fuck's sake. I don't believe
You've got wheel
it.
damage. Someone in your wheels is out of line.
Oh my god. Oh. I don't believe that.
All the damage is repairable.
Oh.
We're done. Get going.
Okay, we're back out. Let's see what we can do. We've got the guy who hit us behind now, so he obviously just lost it and couldn't control it. And I mean, we were putting him under pressure. That was the whole point, to make him make a mistake. I didn't think he'd make a mistake and then smash into me, but anyway. So we've got some of the leaders coming up behind us. We'll have to be mindful of them. Let them by when they're close enough. Oh, it's frustrating, and iRacing can be very frustrating. Well, sim racing in general can be. I was enjoying that. What we can do now is put in some decent laps and learn.
5 minutes to go.
5 minutes to go. Let's see if we can keep ahead of these guys behind. I think we can. They're not closing, are they? At least the car's not broken now. So we can see what sort of lap times we can do.
Car looks fine. No damage to report.
All fixed.
17.665.
Yeah, we're leaving those behind, aren't we? Yeah, this corner's really tricky. And I don't know whether to come... I did come down to third in practice and found I then couldn't get on the gas. This one, you've got to be so careful not to drift left like that Porsche did in front of us. Here you've got to be careful not to lose the rear end getting on the power too hard. Dropped a bit of time there. Yeah, they've not got a lot of grip, these cars. Anyway. A little bit better. Okay, so, yeah, we're not going that quick, are we really? We need to do a better lap next time, I think. So we're 19th.
16.1.
Oh, dear. Let's get into the 15s at least.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 9.2 seconds.
Yeah, we were a lot quicker than him, weren't we? The guy that hit us. Yes, Porsche's a bit of a handful. Off track, is it? Yeah, this is not helping my safety rating, this one. 10x, bloody hell. Oh dear. Right then. So we're catching up fourth at the moment. So we had a bit of pace, didn't we?
16.353.
A bit earlier this time. Let's put in a decent lap if we can. It's not doing off track this time.
White flag did.
Okay, one lap to go.
.722. Just set your fastest lap of the session.
Looks like the guy I'm racing with in 18th has gone off. Am I going to make up another spot? Get to 18th? That'd be good, wouldn't it? I can see him dropping down.
You're gaining on the car.
Maybe not. I'm 10 seconds ahead.
0.9 seconds.
So unless they've got a lot of damage, I don't think I'm going to catch them. Definitely on car 4, aren't we? Yeah, we're not going to catch him. Well, disappointing. Disappointing.
You got it. Slow car on the right. Go left.
GG, bro.
Oh, but we made it. Okay, let's come off and look at those incidents.
Checkered flag.
Okay, then here's the start. So we all got going relatively well. Let's see what the incidents were. Okay. Oh yeah, that's... oh gosh. So where are we? There we go. We're coming through. Okay, then what happens? Someone off into the woodlands. Oh. Yeah, this is where we got smashed into as well, I think, wasn't it here? Yeah, there we go. So a little bit of front end, a little bit of rear end, so not too bad. Right old kerfuffle there, wasn't it? We were lucky not to get sideswiped there too. And what have we got? Oh. Yeah, that's easily done. Hard luck. Just gone too deep. Probably came down one gear too many as well, or too quickly. Oh, that was one of the leaders, was it? Goodness. Yeah, dear. Oh. Oh, moved too soon. Silly. Oh, they're struggling, aren't they? Now, what have we got? We're going to hit that car, yeah, just a little bit. This is someone out braking themselves. Car behind, yep. This is us coming through. What have we got now? Oh gosh, yeah, they're having a right old battle, aren't they? Okay. I think that's what the guy that hit me did. He just caught the curb, but we'll see if it comes up. If not, we'll have a look for it. Oh gosh, just avoided him, but he hit that car. Silly. Okay, what's that about then? You know what that one's about? Gonna hit the back? Yeah. Well, you know he's gonna brake for the corner. And what have we got? Can get stopped. It's a tough place to go through. Oh, gosh, yeah. Well. Oh, blimey, he's on his roof. Hard luck. Oh, and then what a rejoin, eh? I was lucky not to hit that car. Just hasn't braked enough. There's a lot of incidents, aren't there? A lot of lazy spins. Oh, goodness. He's got no rear hatch, that guy. Oh, dear. So this is us then, yeah. So he just loses it, doesn't he? And then overcorrects and... there's nowhere I could go, was there really? Right, in the woods. Then what have we got? Well, serves him right, really, doesn't it? Is this just going to be not braking soon enough? Yeah. Oh dear. Right, okay. But let's look at the results. Here we go. Top split. Gosh, lost a load of safety rating. I'm going to have to be careful because I can't drop below 2. I'll drop down a license. Lost a load of I rating as well, so not good. 14.7 was the best lap. What did we manage? We're all the way down here. Goodness. 15.7. So only a second off, actually. So it's not too bad. Lots of people, I mean, third place did 15.7. So, and we were catching fourth place, weren't we? Best was 15.9. So we had some pace, just... Yeah, I think we were just unlucky there, weren't we? But anyway, that's racing. Happens. I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe. And maybe I'll see you next time at the track.